Hello, in this video I'm going to show 10 tips and tricks for beginners on COROS Pace 3. Alright, let's begin with the customization of our watch and let's change our current watch face. It is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the menu. We do it by holding the back button, it's the one right in here. So simply hold it, and now using the crown button you need to find the watch face. Here it is. Now confirm by clicking the crown button, and now as you scroll to the downside you can see available watch faces. Let's say that we want this one. To confirm it, click the crown button. Now by using the crown button we can also select the colors. Let's select the blue one, confirm, and now our watch face has been successfully set. Alright, when it comes to other watch faces, you could see that in the menu we didn't have much options. But we can change that because in COROS app we have possibility to add new watch faces. Let me show you how to do it. I will zoom out a little, so I'll place my phone so I'll be able to show you that. Simply open up your COROS app. You had to download it because we need to pair our device with our phone. Now find your Pace 3, tap on that, and in here as you can see we have the watch faces. We can click on view all. In here we have a long list of available watch faces. We have the latest, we also have the popular ones. If you select that you can see that it list is pretty long. We can also click on my watch faces that are currently installed on our watch. You can also click on manage and for example delete the ones that you don't want to use. For example this one and this one, then click on delete. Really easy. Let's now add a new watch face into our device. So let's click on watch faces and let's add for example maybe this one. Simply tap, click on send to watch. Okay, and now you can see that our watch face has been successfully applied and now it's on our watch. Okay, for now let's get back. Also, in here, when we are connected with our phone, we can use find device feature. Let's say that we forgot where we put our Pace 3 watch. When we are connected, we can find it by simply opening the app and clicking find device feature. And now you can see that, and here actually, that the watch is vibrating, so we'll be able to locate it. That is pretty useful thing. Okay, let's get back. Now let's click on, again, on our Pace 3, and we can create a custom activities in here. To do it, simply click on that button, select the name for your activity. Let's say, I don't know how to call it, gym, let's say. Select the icon for that action. Let's do it with that. Then click on next. Select your activity environment, outdoors or indoors. Let's say that we are doing it indoors. Now we need to customize the data screens. You can add new ones. As you can see, you can also select the layout, 2 frames, 3 frames, 4 frames, 6 frames or 8 frames. Let's say we'll select 3. And now we need to add something to that. So click on edit. And here you have suggested activities and the things that you can add into your activity. So for example, we can measure the heart rate. Click on edit and select another thing. For example, the calories and maybe the speed. To save it, simply click on done I will delete that page, click on delete. Now click on next if you have selected everything. I have left an empty space. Oh, okay, here. So I need to edit it. I need to add something, maybe this one, then click on next. In here you can select the shortcut for the debug button, lab or not set, it's up to you. I'll keep it on lab, and then click on next. In here we can select some activity alerts. Now let's click on time to explore, and now click on got it. And now it has been added into our watch. So let's open up the workout menu. Simply hold the Chrome button. Oh no, not that way, because I have locked it. Simply tap. Now find custom sport. Click on the Crown button and you can see that our workout has been successfully added into our watch. So everything went just like it should. Let me open up once again the COROS app, and we have the customization features also. And in here we can customize our daily data, activity menu, and also the toolbox. You can do it right in here. It is really easy, and I'm sure that you'll handle it. For example, when you are not using those activities, you can simply delete them. And if you want something new, you can add it from that list. Then simply click on save. And that's basically the process of the customization. Alright, for now I'll place my phone next to me because we won't be needing it for now. I will zoom back in. Okay. Now let's open up all the features that we have. Simply hold the debug button, and now I'll show you how you can, for example, monitor your heart rate. We have rest heart rate, we have the broadcast HR, and also the wellness check. Let's monitor my current heart rates, so I will perform that test, but first I need to wear it. Alright, let's use, for example, the rest heart rate. Click the crown button to confirm. Let's confirm. Okay, and we need to wait 30 seconds. Okay, in my case, the heart rate is 75 BPMs. To confirm, click the crown button, and that's the process. That's how it works. We also have the oximeter down below. Also, I can show you how to do it. Click the crown button. Altitude performance will be shown at 2,500 meters plus. You can see that it's currently measuring, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, 93%. So that's our result. We can close that. And now I will place the watch on the table. Also, I was showing you how you can find your watch using the COROS app on your phone. We can do the same thing. when we don't know where we have placed our phone. We have Find Phone feature. So simply select Find My Phone, click the crown button, and the phone started ringing. So it's also a pretty useful feature. Now, let's open up the flashlight. Let's click the crown button. In here, you can adjust the brightness of your flashlight. Sometimes it's pretty useful. And if you hold the back button, if you hold the crown button, you should have customization menu, but it doesn't want to appear. It should be right in here. Okay, simply tap the crown button, my bad. We can also select the mode. Currently, the white light is selected as the default preset, but we also have the red SOS, so we can use that mode when we are in danger, for example, and someone may help us. Also, we have the quick launch shortcut for our light. Select quick launch, tap the crown button. Currently it's set. Currently it's turned off, but we can click on. And now when we will double tap the back button, which is this one that I'm currently pointing at, we'll be able to launch the flashlight quickly. And you can see that it launched immediately. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you, but again, I need to zoom out. I need to place my phone. Is possibility to set a custom training plan and the workout library. To do it, for example, let's click on Training Plan Library. And here we have the official plans. We can add them into our watch. For example, I don't know, this one. Okay, and you can save it to the training plan, so you'll be able to start that activity on your watch. Same thing with the workout library. In here we have the official ones. And if you want, you can click on the plus button and create your own training. First select the activity type, for example bike, then select the warm-up, and you'll be able to add it into your watch. Then they will be saved in My Workouts. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.